Hello everyone, sharing up a productive day in my life. So just started my day with as usual morning routine, did my skincare and even had a glass of water. You should always stay hydrated. Then I went to school, came back and had my refreshment drink, this amazing yummy milkshake. Then it was the time to get with study. So I was just making notes with the kernel method. And now if you want to know what is kernel method, you need to definitely check out the video which is uploaded in my channel regarding how to take aesthetic notes. Even I will be linking it down in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And so I was making the notes of Later to God chapter of English first chapter. Then after that, during the evening time, I just made yummy pasta for myself, which was really tasty. And then it was the time to unbox this package which I have received from Flipkart. So I had ordered this planner or to-do list in pack of 4 which are aesthetic and cute. So I will be making up a short video or share it in my long video regarding the usage of these. Then it was the time to get back to study. So I started with English again, and this time it was the chapter Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. So I watched YouTube lecture and then understood the chapter, used post-it or sticky notes to take some notes. So then I had a warm cup of tea, and then it was a mini haul time. So these are the few things which I went to market and got. So it's a mini stationery haul. So I got political maps of India, a normal copy ruled long, and this register which is a spiral notebook only ruled also. And the cover page is cute now. And even then I got some Pantenic paints in this 5 shades which are really very nice. Now then it was the time to start using the new notebook that I got from the market. And here's a stationery things that I use to make notes for you guys. So I use a black and a blue ball pen and few highlighters from Faber Castle and some brush paints. And then I use a post-it or you can say sticky notes. Put the heading of the chapter on the top of the page and then start writing one by one. So this time I use the mind map technique. So I have described in details this technique also in the video regarding the how to take aesthetic notes, which is already uploaded in my channel. You can check it out. It's gonna be helpful for you, and don't forget to share it as well. So I made this kind of notes for the chapter Rise of Nationalism in Europe, which is History chapter 1 of class 10th. So after the completion of the notes making, I had my dinner and ended up my day with this favorite ice cream of mine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.